Okay, hey, good morning, AP Computer Science students. Welcome back. I hope you had a great break, some time to kind of rest, relax, just kind of celebrate. Hopefully, you got to see some of your family and had a good time and everything. So, I want to wish you a very welcome back. Welcome to our first lesson of the new year. Where we were in class, we just finished up chapter 5. We took the test right before break, and so now we are diving into arrays, which is the chapter 6. And this is a pretty big topic, so I actually split it into two different parts. So we'll have two tests and two sets of programs and everything because it's a kind of an important concept, and it's one of our last main building blocks we'll need to build our programs. Right, so you can kind of see for today, if you look in the folder, what do we have going on? We have a lesson. Then we have a Kahoot, which will, if you come into live class, we're going to play this live. If you don't attend live class, then do this on your own. And then there's an assignment about arrays to finish off the day. So that's what day one looks like. I will get the programs up here too. I don't have them in there right now, it looks like, based on this video, but I'll get them in here pretty soon. Other than that, I don't have a lot of reminders other than that chapter 5 test. If you haven't had a chance to do that, get on it right away, please. And then also, if you want to retake it, there should be a POL and everything out in that folder too. So that is all. Have a good day and welcome back.